My specific part of this project, or the art installation I contributed to Occupied Warren, I'm taking this maligned plant, the multiflora rose, and I'm using this plant. It's an invasive species to Ohio, to our part of the country, to a lot of parts of the country. And I'm using that plant to create this three-dimensional kind of wallpaper on the wall. I like that it's using this plant that's really just, it's a difficult plant to manage, and it's becoming part of this decorative space again. But I also really like revealing layers of things. So you have on the surface, like what appears to be something really decorative in this room. But if you look closer, it's filled with thorns. And I like the layers of that. It would not take long for plants to overcome a neglected space. And so as much as humans like to think we can manage nature, like if you see a building neglected, you see that plants will quickly take that over. So it's sort of, in a way, like a fool's errand to think we can. And invasive species often tell that story. Like, you think you can, but perhaps not.